Hi guys, welcome to Joseph IT Technology Engineer. Today I'm going to show you how to get the trial version of Eset Antivirus for 30 days easily from the official source. Okay, so firstly I'm going to Google Chrome and then typing Eset Antivirus. Okay, and just simply heading to there. When it's loaded, simply click on download. And as I'm just willing to download it for my home, not for business, so I'm just going to click on get our free 30-day trial. And saying that 30 days, no commitment, no credit card is required, and it is totally for free. And download. Okay, the online installer is being downloaded. And I'm opening it, and it is now being installed. Firstly, it will be downloaded, the full version, and then will be installed in your system. The language is English. Okay, continue. I accept. Okay, if anything appears here, security reasons, simply try to uninstall them or simply ignore. And your file is now being downloaded. After downloading, it will be installed. Okay, it is downloaded. Now it is just going to be installed and asking you to log in. I just don't want to log in. Okay, then skip. And if I have any activation key, I can activate, but as I am just willing to get the trial version, so why should I do it? Skip activation and continue. Okay, now click on enable Eset live grid and both, any one of them. Okay, continue. Asking you to participate, but no, I don't want to participate in any program. And now it is being installed. Okay, it is totally successful. Installation is successful, saying, and done. It is now loaded and will appear shortly. Okay, now click on free trial. And to register your license, simply have to give the email address. Give a valid email address. Okay. And then can reconfirm it and activate. Okay, activation is now successful, as you can see it is saying, and done. Okay, now as you can see, this is your free trial and it expires in 30 days. So for 30 days you can stay in relax and use this product as the pro version, as the paid version. Okay, and if you go to a computer scan, all the scanning options will be there. Here's update. You have to update this product now and then when it is required, and then all the other tools you can see. Okay, one by one you have to go and check all the things you need. Okay, this is one of the powerful antiviruses in the world, and I hope you will like it, the service of this antivirus as at internet security. And I hope this simple video of downloading and installing Eset Antivirus trial version will help you a lot in order to get it. Please hit the like button, share your experience, your suggestions, and subscribe to this channel of Joseph IT if you have not yet. Hope to see you in the next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.